The 1995 Oscar-winning movie Braveheart, directed by and starring Mel Gibson as William Wallace, is a cinematic exploration of the Scottish struggle for independence from English rule in the late 13th century. Though it takes significant creative liberties with historical facts, its portrayal of leadership, strategy, resilience, and the fight for freedom resonates well beyond its historical context, offering valuable lessons for the business world. Here are some of the key takeaways that business professionals and leaders can draw from William Wallace. Lesson 1. Leadership and Vision. Every man dies, not every man really lives. This quote emphasizes the importance of pursuing a vision with passion and purpose, a principle that can inspire leaders to motivate their teams to achieve their full potential. Wallace's ability to inspire his men and lead them against seemingly insurmountable odds underscores the importance of strong leadership and a clear vision in business. Leaders must be able to inspire their teams and communicate a clear and compelling vision for the future. Lesson 2. Perseverance. The film showcases the value of perseverance in the face of adversity. I am William Wallace, and I see a whole army of my countrymen here in defiance of tyranny. I'm the first to admit that this iconic quote sounds even more motivational and compelling if delivered in Mel Gibson's spirited Scottish accent. This declaration of resilience and determination can be mirrored in business, stressing the value of standing firm in the face of challenges. In business, obstacles and setbacks are inevitable, but persistence can lead to success. Lesson 3. Strategy and Innovation. Wallace's tactics in battle, such as the use of the schiltron, a Scottish pike formation against cavalry at the Battle of Stirling, highlight the importance of strategy and innovation. Businesses need to be strategic in their planning and innovative in overcoming challenges and outmaneuvering competitors. Lesson 4. Teamwork and Unity. The unity among Wallace's followers, despite their initial differences, emphasizes the power of teamwork. In business, fostering a collaborative environment where everyone works towards a common goal is vital for success. Lesson 5. Ethics and Integrity. Wallace's fight for freedom and justice, even at great personal cost, underlines the importance of ethics and integrity. Businesses must operate ethically and maintain integrity to build trust and reputation. Lesson 6. Adaptability. The changing dynamics of Wallace's rebellion, from guerrilla warfare to open battles, show the importance of adaptability. Similarly, businesses must be able to adapt to changing market conditions and consumer demands. Lesson 7. Risks and Sacrifices. And dying in your beds, many years from now, would you be willing to trade all the days, from this day to that, for one chance, just one chance, to come back here and tell our enemies that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom? Yeah, it sounds better with Gibson's accent, doesn't it? This quote speaks to the essence of taking risks and making sacrifices for what truly matters, a sentiment that can inspire bold business decisions. Wallace's willingness to risk everything for his cause teaches that significant achievements often require taking calculated risks and making sacrifices. In business, leaders sometimes need to take risks to capitalize on opportunities or innovate. Lesson 8. Understanding the opposition. Wallace's understanding of his enemy's tactics and psychology was crucial in his successes. Although there's no direct quote, Wallace's deep understanding of his enemy's tactics can be summarized in the business lesson. Know your rivals as well as you know yourself. In business, understanding the competition and market can provide strategic advantages. Lesson 9. Motivation and Engagement. Wallace's ability to motivate his followers demonstrates the importance of keeping teams engaged and motivated. In business, motivated employees are more productive and contribute to a positive company culture. Lesson 10. Learning from failures. The setbacks faced by Wallace and his men and their ability to regroup and strategize illustrate the importance of learning from failures. The resilience shown by Wallace in his relentless pursuit of Scottish independence can encourage businesses to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Businesses should adopt a culture where failures are seen as opportunities to learn and grow. The movie Braveheart transcends its historical drama genre, providing timeless lessons on leadership, strategy, resilience, and ethics that are highly applicable to the business world. The lessons from William Wallace remind us that at the core of both historical endeavors and business ventures are fundamental principles of human nature, leadership, and collective effort towards achieving a common goal. It's worth noting, though, that these insights might sound even more motivational and compelling if delivered in Mel Gibson's spirited Scottish accent from Braveheart. There's just something about that accent that could make even a quarterly earnings report sound like a rallying cry for freedom and glory. Imagine the impact of rallying your team with the passion of a freedom fighter, albeit perhaps saving the face paint for special occasions. I hope you enjoyed this video about perhaps my all-time favorite movie. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest discussions. I'm Dr. Dag, eager to hear your thoughts or future topic suggestions in the comments below. Wishing you a fantastic day ahead.